Hello viewers, welcome to my channel An Easy Step to English Grammar. And tonight I am going to discuss with you two important topics. Those are alliteration and onomatopoeia. P-O-E-I-A, pia, that is diphthong. These two are figure of speech that are used as the ornaments of English language. Then what is alliteration? Alliteration is actually the repetition of the two or three or four words and letters to create a rhythmic chant or to create a rhyme or to create a special music or effect on language. And what is onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia is actually the sound effect. The words suggest sound. The words are used in such a manner that they suggest sound. Now, my first example is Peter Patter drops the rain down. So, it is the example of alliteration. Peter Patter, P and drops D and down D. So PP are alliterative because P, the letter, has been used to repeat almost the same word, almost the same rhythmic effect, Peter Patter, and drops D and down D. These two letters have been repeated. However, my first example acts as both alliteration and onomatopoeia. Peter Patter suggests the rhythmic effect or the sound of rain, and drops down. These two words are the examples of alliteration. Okay? Now let us come to my second example, that is season of mists and mellow fruitfulness. This line has been taken from Wordsworth's Ode to Autumn. Ode to Autumn. Season of mists and mellow. You see that mists M and mellow M. These two letters have been repeated to create a musical impact. Now come to my third example. Delicious is the lay that sings the haunts of happy lovers. The haunts of happy lovers. You see that haunts age and happy age, these two letters have been repeated to create a musical impact. Haunts of happy lovers. Now come to the fourth example. The sausages are sizzling in the pan. This line creates both alliteration and onomatopoeia. For example, sausages are sizzling. S and S are alliterative, and the sound of sizzling of sausages in the pan is suggesting how the sausages are sizzling in the pan, and it creates a sound impact or sound effect, sizzling. Now come to my fifth example. The squeak of the cricket and the howlings of hyenas are present here. Suppose there is a haunted house or dilapidated house. The squeak of the cricket and the howlings of hyenas are present here. The squeak is an onomatopoeic word because the cricket sound is squeaking sound. So the squeak of the cricket is onomatopoeic, and howlings of hyenas, you see that H and H are alliterative, but howlings are creating onomatopoeia, howlings of hyenas. Now my last example, that is the sixth example. Drip drop drops the rain down, and I slip, slip, into slumber. Drip drop, these four words are alliterative. It is creating a musical effect on the line, drip drop, and at the same time it is onomatopoeic because it is suggesting the sound of rain. I slip into slumber. Here you see that slip into slumber, S and S, these two letters are alliterative, and that's the end of my lecture on alliteration and onomatopoeia. And I think that this lecture has cleared your doubts on alliteration and onomatopoeia. Alliteration is the repetition of the same letter or the same word to create a musical impact on language, and onomatopoeia is the sound impact. The words are used in such a manner that the words suggest the sound or the sound suggests the word. Good night today, and I think that this lecture on this figure of speech, alliteration and onomatopoeia will come to your benefit, and if it comes to your benefit, I shall be highly blessed. Stay safe, stay mellow, and good night today. Thanking all of you. Please subscribe my channel and press my bell icon. An easy step to English grammar.